In the beginning, dirt is the foundation of all. You must plant your seed. You must water it with your tears. You must have patience and faith and watch it grow. As we travel through this journey of life, the seed you have has destiny in it. We have ups and downs, tears and laughter, hate and love, stupidity and wisdom, enemies and friends, frustrations and celebrations. If you plant good seed in bad soil, it will affect how it roots and how it grows. You must remember who you are. You have purpose over your life. If I can crawl, I will walk. If I can walk, I will jog. If I can jog, I will run. If I can run, I will fly. I will spread my wings and fly. With this one seed that I have, I will survive. You must continue to fight. Fight until you can't fight no more. Fight for freedom. Fight for love. Fight for what's right. Tick by tick, minute by minute, the hour by hour, month by month, year by year, you have a purpose. You have a purpose over your life. You are born to destined for greatness. What legacy will you leave behind?